sometimes than what people are using. The hashtags used on Instagram are sometimes very different on Twitter, right? So yes, eventually we'll be using all hashtags, all platforms from Google, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and just be, all those, including Twitter, which we are right now.
All right, so now we are only on Twitter, but in the future, they're looking into integrating Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and all the other social platforms. That's what you're saying.
That's correct, yes.
All right, no, great stuff. Tell me, I see there will only ever be 100,000 hashtags. That's the number that has been set, and of course currently we're sitting at 16,000 hashtags that have been created. What will happen after we reach that 100,000 hashtags?
Yeah, it's actually very exciting, Elson. So what happens is after the 100,000 NFTs, the hashtags that we sell, what happens is that we pull the network marketing component away from this. Okay, there will be no more getting paid commissions on selling hashtags. Okay, first of all. Also, what takes place at that time is you're no longer buying the NFTs using Binance chain. You're purchasing with tag coin using our native currency, tag coin, which is the coin that our hashtags are mining. Also, what happens is we release 21 NFTs a day to buy, 21 hashtags a day beyond 100,000 NFTs, okay? And so these hashtags, you're not, in the starting bid is $1,200. Okay, you're actually buying the right to purchase a hashtag in an auction. Okay, so it's like a ticket, 21 tickets a day that are being sold. So let's say the starting bid's 1,200 and you bid it up, and we bid these up through the day, and boom, 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 one tag at a time, and this one goes up to $1,500, this ticket. Okay, and what happens is over time, everyone looks back at the last day and they're like, wow, they sold for $1,500 yesterday. They're probably going to go up to 1,600, 1,700 based off of more people wanting these tags. Okay, so the price is going to the bidding price is going to go up. And then what happens is that as they're buying these hashtags using tag coin instead of the Binance Smart Chain, all of the tag coin used to purchase those 21 a day is completely burned. So this creates scarcity. Every single hashtag beyond 100,000, it burns all the tokens, bro.
All right. Okay. And tell me something. What's gonna happen after we reach 100,000? In terms of the minting of these coins, because we're still gonna be like the hashtags on Twitter will still be ongoing. Are we still gonna be getting coins? What I'm trying to get something here.
Yes.
Still, because we actually this project is based on the movement and the activities of hashtags on Twitter. And after this 100,000, will it continue, or will it continue getting these profits, or this minting that is happening on the back office, or it will just stop?
No, the mining is going to continue. Your hashtag is with you for life unless you sell it. This hashtag is with the tokenomics, it's going to keep mining your entire life, actually.
Oh, okay. So it's going to continue mining.
So we're burning tokens, but at the same time, we're producing them. The mining just continues, but that burning process is kicking in right there. And we're also adding, we are 100% open source as well, Elson. So I believe it's 1% of all money that's made with 1% of all tag coin and stuff is set aside, that is created in the whole entire system. These coins are set aside to encourage other development teams to come on board with TAGProtocol and actually build on our platform, just like you would build, it's open source. It's going to be a whole different, we have programming set up on here. Okay, we have, and also another thing that's going to continue, Elson, is we have 5 mining pools now set up already. Okay, I know that $350 is a lot for some people to purchase an NFT. So people are going to be able to come in for just a few dollars, $5, and they put their money into the mining pool. And these mining pools are going to continue beyond the network marketing side. So it's accumulative. People are putting their money together in the mining pools to mine more tag coin, to buy more hashtags that will be bought at the auctions beyond 100,000. You see?
Please repeat that. It sounds interesting, but I'm missing. Your internet is a bit. There's a bit of a glitch somewhere. I kind of missed some of your statements.
Let me repeat this. So we have 5 mining pools currently going on right now. Okay. Five. Can you hear me? Okay.
No. It's dropping. Your internet is dropping.
We have 5 mining pools right now.
Okay.
These mining pools you can get involved in for as low as, let's say, $5 right now. You can buy into these mining pools. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right. So, okay, that's interesting part. Especially on the network side.
Right. So right now, I actually am in the mining pools. I'm mining. I put some of my money into the mining pools. I think I put $1,000 in there. Right. But a person can come in as low as $5. What it does in the pools is it takes all the money that's coming in and they're buying more hashtags for those pools. Okay. All right. So beyond the network marketing component, people will still be able to purchase those tags and have that mining pool coming in.
Okay.
Beyond the 100,000 NFTs also. Okay. And I think some of these mining pools actually have 1 level deep affiliate program to them. So maybe it's 10% or something like this, that you bring someone, let's say you put $5 in, you come in underneath me, I make 50 cents or whatever. That's just a small example.
Tell me, is that live now? What you're just saying, is it happening? All right, I'd love to get this information, please. Because look, it's actually a great project, especially, us, we referral people, we networkers. And of course, if you get such a solid program, always want to shout to the world.
Yes, Elson, and so this one is really exciting. Let me share this mining pool that's going live in about a week and a half that I'm launching personally. Okay, the name of this mining pool is called the Tag Army. Okay, you've probably say out there, promoting saving. One second, I got 1 second. I got stuff here.
Okay.
There's the Tag Army out there. Excuse me. There is the Safe Moon Army online. You've heard of Safe Moon. There's the Safe Moon Army. Okay. There's also the Shiba Army. You can search the internet, hashtag Shiba Army. You're going to see a lot of people promoting Shiba Army. Okay, out there. These are movements, but both of those movements have nothing to do in the NFT space. So I'm actually launching a mining pool. It's called the Tag Army, and it's mining Tag Army coin. Okay, each one of our mining pools has another coin associated with it. But the mining, so when you're mining inside these pools, it's not just mining tag coin, it's mining an additional coin too. Okay, very interesting. But this is going to be the Tag Army coin. So we're actually going to be going after the Army, and educating these members about about NFT. Okay, we're going to be going after the Shiba Army online. We're going to be going after the Safe Moon Army online and educating these people about this army here, which is about NFTs. And there's going to be rewards actually given in the pool. Also, I'm actually putting bounties on people. Like if there's a celebrity we want to go after, the Shiba Army, we put a bounty on these people. So let's say the Facebook whistleblower, for example, we're going after her right now because we want her on our social media platform. We're already in communication with this lady. All right. She already knows about TAGProtocol. Okay. And about our NFT social media platform. So let's say I put a $10,000 bounty on her. If you go get her to be part of TAGProtocol and promote the TAGProtocol, it'd be all over the news, right? How this lady joined an NFT network.
All right,
So
you're
that's
breaking
the
up.
first bounty I'm putting. Okay, 1 second.
You're
Yeah,
breaking
I'm
up.
putting a
I'm missing some
$10,000
words.
bounty. I'm putting a $10,000 bounty on this lady, and the Tag Army members can all go after her right there. It's gonna be fun.
Oh,
We'll have
okay.
clothing. Yeah, we'll have clothing for it also. You know, Tag Army clothing too.
All right. Now, Krista, tell me, do you have sort of a presentation with all this information, or nothing yet? Because I see there's still so much development happening behind the scenes, so much happening on this project. It's still fairly new, I would say. Do you have any presentation with this information?
I actually do. Yes, I actually have a presentation. If you want to turn me on a screen share, I can show this to you now.
All right, and then
Okay.
I'm worried about the price, man. It keeps going up. It started, I see it started way back. It's $200 US. Currently 350 is going to $400 very soon. It will end up at $10,000. What do you think?
Which could be $10,000.
Sorry, it will end up at yeah, of course it will end up at that bigger price. I mean, what do you think?
Which are you referring to?
The NFT hashtag price. Currently you can register with the $350.
Yes, exactly. So I think it's very, very doable. First of all, if we look at the NFTs out there in the world, some of these pictures, which are dead assets, they don't mine cryptocurrency. These pictures, they're selling for millions of dollars, right? They're selling hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they're backed by nothing. Hear me okay? Right? Okay. Elson. Okay, I was saying that these pictures are backed by nothing. So with our NFTs, they're mining cryptocurrency. So what's going to happen on November 7th is we're actually opening up an auction site for our people so they can actually list their NFTs. Okay, so let's say if you owned and you purchased hashtag Africa, for example, and you're like, well, I'm going to at least put it on the auction and see if even though I paid $350 for it, I want to put it out there for $5,000 and see what happens. There may be someone that sees the value in this project and says, I want to buy that one right there, right? So once we start selling a few of these, let's say hashtag Bitcoin sells for $10,000, then I sell my hashtag COVID-19. I see that, and I'm like, I think I can get $6,000 for it. Now I sold mine for $6,000 when I bought this for $200. But this is going to be interesting because the people that buy those NFTs, sell their NFTs and get all that money, they're going to put it back into units, right? They're going to buy a whole bunch more NFTs, which is going to bring the price of the NFTs up because we want to get to 100,000, obviously. So that's going to be very interesting to see what happens right there. And this is going to make our NFT prices at $350 at $400 a really good deal. You know, people are going to be like, wow, those things are selling for this much, which is going to increase the sales even faster right there. You see the auction site.
All right, no, I see. And obvious, you need to choose a hashtag that is more popular on Twitter. What if you choose one that is not popular? So it means your earnings will be very much slow. If you just happen to choose the one that is not so popular. Did you get that?
Right. So, yes. Can you hear me? Okay, there. Okay. Yes, I hear you. So everyone gets paid. Every hashtag actually mines cryptocurrency. Okay. We have 21 levels of popularity. This is in our tokenomics. So 1 being the most popular, 21 being the least popular. Okay. So for example, I've bought a lot. Sometimes people want to buy one that's not that popular. Maybe you want to buy your name as an NFT just so you can tell people I'm an NFT. Okay, as a conversation piece, right? And use this for like a sales thing. Like I own Brock Pierce. I own Roger Ver as an NFT. Roger Ver is an NFT. No one really goes around, doing hashtag Roger Ver, who owns Bitcoin.com, and also Bitcoin Cash. You know, that they're hashtagging Bitcoin Cash and they're hashtagging, you know, Bitcoin, right? They're not, but my point is, I bought this as a gift. I bought this as guys, and I can send that NFT over to them, but I'm going to give it to them when they come to endorse our platform. They both know about this platform. I've spoken to them both about this. Okay. We're mining cryptocurrency think about this, using global human consciousness. Okay. Instead of electricity, think about that. Okay. This is consciousness on the blockchain, is human consciousness on the blockchain and what is trending around the world. Beautiful. And we're a virtual mining machine instead of a physical mining machine. You don't throw us in a landfill 18 months later. You don't throw a word in a landfill. So this is probably, I would say, exactly the project that Elon Musk has been looking for right here. You know, remember when he bashed Bitcoin for the electricity costs, right?
Oh yeah.
And he didn't even mention the machines being thrown into the landfill when they were all done also.
All right. No, great stuff. Okay. Obviously, what determines the NFT hashtag price is supply and demand, and of course, yeah, it's supply and demand, isn't that so?
Correct. Yes, it truly is. Yes, and what I really like about this project also is we did not just go ahead and sell pre-ICO coins. Hey, buy this coin. I don't like that hype right there. This was all about self-discovery. All the coins have actually been mined from the words. So when we came on to Pancake Swap and we came on to Sushi Swap, people had the opportunity to put their coins on the exchange and it established value. And right now we're about 7 and 8 cents. It just kind of hovers right there. But this is as we launch our social media platform in the future here in the next few months, and we'll come out with a search engine also like Google, but it's all NFT driven. Imagine us coming out with this social media. What I'm trying to do right now is launch the social media site and the search engine at the same day. Elson, I'm trying to get them. I'll be in Dubai here in a few weeks with them. I'm one of the major players in this project, obviously.
All right, but I see the hashtags, keywords, they're getting finished, man. I went on a search. I checked. Hashtag Bitcoin is gone. Hashtag Man United is gone. Hashtag Binance is gone. Hashtag Elon Musk is gone. Hashtag COVID-19 is finished, man. Where am I going to get the keywords? I mean, these hashtags, good hashtags. Obviously, you have to get good hashtags.
Well, I mean, the reality is, Elson, is that there's plenty of hashtags out there that are good ones. And what this is doing is increasing the mining difficulty. Obviously, as more mining machines, more words come on, the search for these hashtags, the search for these hashtags, as you're saying, is becoming more difficult as well to find. But there still is plenty of hashtags. People may be happy, oh, hey, I got an Instagram word that has, 40 million posts. Now now I'm able to find them at 20 million posts. Now I'm able to find them at 5 million posts. But there's still so many that are undiscovered. I mean, I bought testosterone the other day as an NFT, and I didn't buy it just it only had like 35,000 posts or something like this. Maybe it was 100,000 posts. But I typically like to buy an NFT that has a million plus posts. There's lots of posts, NFTs words out there. But I bought it because I know eventually that I could sell. I don't know. I just bought it because I like it. I like the word. I could sell it to a testosterone clinic down the road, possibly. That's on our social sites. And even if I never sold this word, it's for my entire lifetime. It's mining me cryptocurrency. Am I going to get my $350 worth out of it? For sure. Okay, because even buying these words now, looking at this project 6 months from now, our words, we only have 83,000 plus thousand word NFTs left. That's $60 million in sales, believe it or not, right there, to get to the 100,000 NFT part right there. That means our NFTs have to be worth at least $1,150, $1,200 at that point. So basically, you're looking at double, tripling your money just of owning the word, not including the coins that you're going to make this year off of this project.
All right. And in terms of marketing, I see they've got a page. Let me just quickly see if I can share this page. It's called TAGProtocol.net. I think it's a referral page, a website. Where can I write? Let me see if I can share this. Can you see my screen there?
It's loading right now. 1 second, please. Yes, it's a black screen, but go ahead. I think so. Yes, go ahead.
What do you see on my screen? I've got two screens here, so I get confused sometimes.
Yeah, Tag Protocol, blue and white screen, introducing as an NFT. There you go.
Yeah. Okay, this website, I've read somewhere where it says you can actually get the same website like this. You can actually, by paying something like $30 or something, you can get this one as your marketing tool. How do one go about it? Do you have any idea?
We can ask in our Facebook group and find out. Go ahead and scroll down. I've not seen this yet, so this is beautiful. I like this. I've been looking for a good landing page like this. Very nice, huh? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I do know who makes this, but this is beautiful right here. You can see the percentages. Oh, okay, there you go. Very nice. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, it's got most information, but I'm not sure how. Okay, all right. No, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out.
So I could help you. Can you make me screen share? I got a few slides to show with you. You asked about a presentation. I have that for you right here. Can I share screen?
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Let me make you the co-host. All right. You are a host now. You can actually share your screen.
Okay. So here we go. Let me go ahead and share screen right here. Bada bing. Okay. So here we go. Can you see this okay?
Yeah, it's starting to share. All right, there we go. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yes.
So here we go. You can see the hashtag registry in April, May, staking June, July. Okay, let me see, February, March. Okay, so this is this last year. We're making progress. This all already took place. Okay, so this shows how to buy an NFT hashtag. I can see this presentation, brother. Okay, here you go. This is very interesting. Google, for example, boom, it shows in our back office. Once you purchase a hashtag, day one, it's going to show you how many coins you've mined. So once you buy the hashtag, the next day it starts showing the mining taking place. Okay, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So it'll actually even give you, based in the first day, it's going to be able to show, give you an estimate, and this is always changing, how many coins. It's going to guesstimate how many coins you're going to make that year. Pretty cool, huh?
All right. Okay. Nice one. Nice one. Okay.
Yeah. So here we go. So again, we only have 100,000 NFTs that we're going to be selling here. So get them quickly. Okay. Here we go. Here's how we get to the price of $1,150 at 100,000 NFTs. Currently, here we are at $350. Where's that at? Right here, 350. This is going to only last till we hit 20,000 NFTs. Then they're going to jump up, for the next 5,000 to 400. And this is happening very quickly. I'd say that we're selling probably 200 to 500 NFTs a day. We had an investor come in the other day. He bought 500 NFTs in one day.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, I see.
It happens. Okay. So on this one, you can see here, this is my first time through this presentation, so I'm kind of winging it here. Okay. So you can see on the left-hand side, when you pull up your hashtags on your mobile app in your back office.
I see Beyonce there. I actually checked and it's taken. I mean, that's what I'm saying, that they becoming scarce and scarce. But anyway, yeah, let's continue.
Okay, and also they're case sensitive, so you can buy them uppercase, lowercase, all kinds of things. But you can see, like when you click on this eye on the information thing, that's what's going to show you. When you click on I, that's what's going to show you this right here, the information. Okay, this little arrow on the side allows you to be able to send the NFT to someone else. If I click on the little paper airplane, I can send that to your Binance Smart Chain wallet, the information thing right here, okay?
Okay.
This is going to show the total in your back office of your total mine coin. And when you hit the mint and claim button, this will bring it straight out so you can extract it to your sushi wallet right there. Okay, your wallet. Okay, here we go. These are mining machines. You can see that these mining machines, look how much people are buying for these mining rigs are out there, like very expensive, you know, and they don't last that long. These mining machines are depreciating assets. And so they go down in value over time, and then you throw them in the landfill. Our mining machines, which are virtual, are virtual mining machine that increase. They're appreciating assets because you saw every 5,000 we sell, the price increases right there. Okay, here's technical. Yes. Look at this, build a blockchain agnostic coin system that has a well-defined mint and burn tokenomics, and use hashtag-based NFTs as a virtual mining machine rather than the physical mining machine to save on additional energy consumption. And again, we are blockchain agnostic, which means if we wanted to jump to Cosmos blockchain next year, we could easily do that with no interruption. So as technology gets more advanced, TAG protocol is going to be here for the long haul, because using the DAO system, we can actually use consensus and jump to another blockchain. Okay.
All right.
For longevity, here you go. Boom, you've got hashtag staking. So as soon as you buy an NFT, a hashtag, it starts staking the word and paying you every single day. Here's our hashtag auction going live November 7th, below that. And we also have, look at this, absolutely amazing. Okay, hashtag auction. This auction, I think, is going to be so much fun. This is going to just take sales and blow it up so fast. I'm going to be in Dubai next month for the launch of this. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to get people very excited.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
So you can sell your NFTs. You can sell your NFTs right now, but it doesn't have an auction feature to it. I could sell you COVID-19 right now and say, hey, I want $1,000 for this. You send me the money, I send it over to you, but the auction's going to let everyone in the community know that you have it up for sale for competition. Okay.
Okay. So tag coins can be traded on the Pancake swap as we speak now, and of course the coin, it will be gaining value, of course. So it's you owning the hashtag NFT, and also the coins that you have, they are gaining value as well on the market.
Exactly.
And I believe they will be listed on so many other exchanges as well.
Yes. So we're on Pancake Swap and Sushi Swap right now. And then soon we're going to be on, what's the other swap one? A very popular one. I apologize, the name of it. We'll be on another exchange here in a few weeks also. I forgot the name of the swap. My apologies. So you can, and also you can go to, I'll show you this in a second here. Here it is. You know, then we have mining pools. This is an example of our mining pools. Okay, so buy stag coin token, stake the stag coin, and this buys the hashtags, and then it pays in tag coin. So this allows you to purchase to get involved for, you know.
All right, Ryan, what is stake coin? How does it relate to tag coin? I mean, there's I keep on seeing this stake coin and tag coin. What's the relationship?
Well, somehow it's able to, excuse me, let me find out. I'm gonna do one more share screen here. Somehow, when you deal with the stag coin, it actually produces more of the coins here. I'm not an expert on commenting on that right now. Give me a few, I can get that question answered for you. But I do want to share this with you. This is tagcoin.io. If you go to tagcoin.io, so we have tagprotocol.com, we have tagscan.info, we have tagcoin.io. Tagcoin, this is where you can see in real time the purchases and sales going on. You can see this right here.
Okay.
You can see that people are buying little bits amount at a time here. And that's what you want to do in the very infancy stages. You want to come in and just buy $1,000 worth, because it's going to drop back down. People are going to sell it. You know what I'm saying? You want to increase little by little on these exchanges. and people could swap right inside here, smart chain BNB for tag coin right here.
All right, so someone can swap just straight away. All right, so someone wants to, who can't afford to buy or doesn't have $350 but wants to own the coin because he sees the value, he sees the future on this coin, he can just go straight to the platform website and buy it from Yobit, I think, and Pancake Swap as well.
No, we're not on Yobit right now. We're not on Yobit. We're just on Pancake Swap and Sushi Swap. I would just recommend going to tagcoin.io. Once you hit your Connect wallet thing, it's going to connect you to your MetaMask or else your Binance Smart Chain, whatever you're using, Trust Wallet right there. Okay.
All right.
And you can the coins right there.
Okay. So, so the underlying point is that one can actually go straight and buy the coin just to hold on to it.
That's correct. Yes.
All right. Okay. Nice. Do you have any? I see that. Please, you're gonna have to send me that presentation on my maybe on Facebook or whichever way. On the referral program, I see the presentation doesn't have the referral program. Anything on the referral? Do you have anything, or it's just on the website or something?
Yes, I do have this image, and I should have it more accessible on my computer here. So, so it's a 9-level deep unilevel compensation plan. 9 levels deep compensation plan. Basically, here it is right here. Let me see. I'm gonna send this over to you on Facebook. Maybe you can do a screen share and open this image up here. 1 second, please. Okay. This image right here. I want to send this to you right now on Facebook. Okay, here we go. And let me just get over to your Facebook. Let me see Elson. 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 Okay, I just
all right.
It's in your, you can do a screen share right there and open this image up on Facebook Messenger.
All right, let me check. Tell me, are there people who are already earning on this at the present moment? Are the people making money already, or it's still a dream?
Are they making money in the compensation plan?
Now, on the business, on the coins, on tag coins, are people mining the tag coins and making money? Are people who can actually vow and say, I'm making $500 a day or $1,000 a day? Are the people who've got such testimonies?
Well, I mean, not on the mining aspect. I mean, I can comment and say that, on the commission side, I'm making a few $1,000s a day in commissions in the business structure. Okay, it's very lucrative. If you do a screen share, you can open up this image, Elson, that I sent you on Facebook.
All right, I see. Yeah.
Okay, but I mean, on the mining pools, obviously, at 7-8 cents a coin, you'd have to have a lot of words going on. I own about 140 words right now. I don't know if I'm making what I'm making. I don't pay any attention to per day what I'm making on that. Obviously, that could be interesting to look at.
All right. No, I see. Okay. All right. No, great stuff.
I think a good way of looking at this, though, simple math on this is if you look at a word generating a half a coin on average per hour. Okay, so you're making 12 coins. Let's look at the math here. Okay, let's say I'm making 12 coins an hour, 12 coins a day. Okay, I'm doing the calculator here. 12 coins a day times 140 NFTs. That's 1,680 coins that I'm making every single day. Okay. Divide, let's go ahead and times 0.08 cents. So that's $135 a day that I'm making right now with what I have. Okay.
Okay. Not great stuff, which is still great.
And I know that's nothing compared to like the 50 or plus $1,000 that I've invested into owning mining machine, mining words. But when Bitcoin came out, obviously you weren't making a lot of money off of mining machines until over time. Okay, so
of course the price of the coin is going to rise in the future. It's going to move from that 17 cents or whatever, 7 cents or something is going to go up in future.
Well, yeah, I mean, $1 a coin, that's, you know, that's almost whatever that is, $1,400 a day, basically, it'd be making it. That's nice, you know?
Okay. All right. And you mentioned the cheaper pools at the beginning, the crowd pools. Do you have information on that? Can you send it to me? Or you don't have anything as yet?
I do. I can send a link, but I'm really advising that people hold off on the pools to wait out for my pool coming out here, Tag Army pool that's launching in a week and a half, because this is going to be very fun to be part of. Okay, there's going to be a mission behind this. It's going to be gamified, you know, with bounties out there, right? It's going to be very mission oriented. This is going to be a lot of fun, and we got a clothing line coming out too with that.
All right, yeah, but please send me the link just to have a look into what's in there and what's happening.
Yes, could you do a screen share and Elson, and pull that image up I just sent you on Facebook, please?
What do you want me to do?
Open up the image that I just sent you on Facebook and do a screen share, please.
All right, let me. You know what's happening? Make me a host, man. I think I've lost my. Can you make me a host there?
Oh yeah, of course. Participants, Elson, more, make host. There you go. Okay.
All right, Christoph. Let me share my screen. Go. All right, there is my screen. Okay.
Okay. Here you go. So Elson, you can see here when you first come in, you know, you're getting paid 25% commissions. Okay.
Okay.
You sell 5 NFTs, 5 words, and you're at 30% commissions. Okay, which is going to allow you to pull 5% on level 1. So when those people that you brought into, when they sell them, you're getting 5%. Okay, it gets more exciting once you get to, now what happens is as soon as your team sells 20 NFTs. Okay, let me pull this image up just to be accurate here on this. Okay, once you sell, there's 20 NFTs, or is it 25? My bad. Oh, here we go. I'm looking at this image right here. Okay, yes, it's 25 NFTs right here. You then jump your whole team. Now you're at the next level, which moves you to 35% commissions. Okay, so this includes the NFTs that you purchase and also what your team purchases. 25, you're at 2 levels deep, 10% and 5% on level 2. Okay, and then after you sell 125 NFTs, okay, it then opens up the next level. And then once you sell 625, your team does, you're going to go ahead and move down again. Okay, so let's say that when you're at 1,000 hashtags, it's 50% commissions on your front lines. Okay, this is at 50%. You can see that right there at level 6, you're pulling. I mean, look at these numbers: 25% commissions. Let's say we're selling that the hashtags are $400 now, so that's $100 front lines. Okay, and this is not that hard to get. I mean, it's 1,000 hashtags. It's not hard to get right there. I'm actually at about 15. I'm at I think 1,500 now is how many I've sold right here. Okay, so you know, you're pulling on your second level 20%. That's really good right there, and you can see the different levels here. It just starts adding up very, very quickly.
All right, tell me something. When you say like on level 4, your rank, let's say I'm ranking number 4 there on the front line is 40%. It means then the second line, it's my downline. I get 15% and then 10% on this second level, and then third level is 5%. Is that correct?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. It looks good, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's very nice.
And
So,
and tell me something, when one purchases one NFT and then they decide to purchase the second one, the third one, I keep on getting the commission, or it's only for the first time?
all of them, all of them.
Okay, all of them.
Now imagine we're at $1,000 in NFT. I mean, if you're pulling 40% of that, that's $400 on front lines right there. Because people will be buying these. There's no this is still a deal compared to the picture NFTs out there in the world that are going for millions of dollars that aren't mining cryptocurrency. They're dead assets.
I see. All right. No, great stuff. No, thanks, Barry. Thanks for the information. If you've got some more, please, man, send some more information, and then look and send me your link as well. Let me get started straight away with my first one.
Excellent, Elson. Well, thank you for the interview this morning. Sorry, I have my shirt off. I wasn't expecting to record it, but we got to the point. We got this done, and excited to have you with us and bring in NFT technology to South Africa. One last thing I want to say in closing on this, Elson. The reason why our NFT project is so big out there, bigger than I would say any NFT project in the world, is because we have our own currency, okay? And our currency is based off of the core. This is the core foundation of NFT, and no one else has accomplished this. When we launch our social media network, right now there's thousands of NFT projects out there, and they're running on Ethereum. The fees are too high. I'm predicting a major collapse. Mark my words. This is a recorded video. There's going to be a major collapse NFT bubble. There's going to be a big bubble pop that takes place because everyone's going to sell their NFTs. It's going to drop the price of their NFTs down because everyone's going to come and want to buy their NFTs on our platform to partake on the social media thing and all in the open source, status of our project. So mark my words on this. It's going to happen. It's going to happen this year. Okay.
Yeah, look, it's a great project. I mean, this, like you said in the beginning, that other NFTs is just a picture. It's just something that is not really moving or something. But here we've got something that is moving. It's really, there's something happening. I mean, hashtags, people do hashtags almost every day on these social platforms, Twitter and stuff. So yes, the more hashtags that are happening out there, you can see the activities.
Yeah, Elson, it's going to be a beautiful thing. We are going to completely, with our social media platform, since we have decentralized servers, since we're NFT based, we're going to see the end of censorship on social media. Everyone can get behind that movement right there. There's going to be so many additional income streams also coming from our social media launch. We'll talk about that later on. Like this is the entrance into what we call the gig economy. Gig economy means that you're getting paid on hundreds, if not thousands of companies online a day. And this is going to be possible through our social network.
All right, tell me something. You keep mentioning that, but I missed the basis of it. So are you meaning this project, TAGProtocol, is going to have its social media platform? Is that what you mean? I'm missing. I can't hear you. You are muted, please.
Yes, we have. I'm going to do a demonstration of this. Okay, so you can see this our social media. This is like let me see. It's just loading right now. Let me know. Am I sharing a screen right now? No. Okay.
No.
Can you let me share the screen here? I'll show you.
All right. Let me. Okay, you are a host now. Please, you can share your screen.
1 second. So here we go. So this is an example of our NFT social platform coming out right now. It's actually loading, and I'll send you an example of this. This takes a second to load. It's 150 slide presentation, so you can see that there's a lot of work involved in making this, okay? Again, every single post can be turned into an NFT. So the post can be, I don't think every post is going to be on the blockchain, but you can mint your post and turn it into an NFT. And the beautiful thing about this, Elson, is let's say a musician, they can put a music video out on there. That post, that that music video becomes an NFT on the platform. A songwriter could put a song, a musician could put a song on there. It could be an image right there also. So this is, and all these NFTs that people are going to be buying are going to be using Tag Coin, which is going to increase, because right now, from what I understand, OpenSea is, they're doing $3 billion in sales, okay, a month, and they're using Ethereum, $3 billion in sales a month. Okay, and I want to read this quote real fast because this is very, very, very important. Check, this quote just came out on The Economist. It says, today, the total value of NFTs issued on Ethereum blockchain is 14.3 billion. Okay, according to DApp Radar, a research company, this is up from $340 million last year. Okay, 14 billion from 340 million last year. Okay.
Okay, great stuff.
This is the writing on the wall. Okay, so take a look at this. That's just OpenSea. So imagine all these 1,000 NFT projects out there. They're selling all their NFTs to migrate onto our social media platform. Let me show you the functionality of this thing. Look at this. I can click. The blue tells me where I can click. If I want to click on videos, click on videos. I click again. Okay, it says I want to click on status. Okay, I want to click on add person. Okay, look how much work has gone into making this site right here, right?
All right.
Okay, so imagine if I come to the slide presentation here, 1 second, please, and I want to go ahead and sell one of my NFTs. Here you go. Are you sure you want to accept this bid? You can accept a bid. Do you want to bid, on this? This is all going to be using TagCoin. This is actually invented before TagCoin is invented. So the name of this platform is going to be called Tag Social.
It's gonna be called what? I missed that.
Hashtag.
Come again?
Yes, it's gonna be called Tag Social. Okay, Tag Social.
And it's gonna be using TagCoin.
Correct.
So it means the TagCoin coin is gonna go up in value. I mean.
Yes. Imagine if we were doing $3 billion a month in sales, and TagCoin was the coin, not Ethereum, right?
Yeah, no, great stuff, man.
Okay, look at this. You place your bid. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's just so you can track all your NFTs in the back office. Boom, you accepted a bid. Okay, don't worry about ITD. Okay, this will be obviously TagCoin, whatever. Okay, there's your bids. Like, just excuse me. So there's a lot of work that went into making this, and the same person that made the paper.
All right.
Okay, for TAGProtocol, it's the same person that made, look at this, you purchase an image, boom. So these are NFTs that you own, and it will be in your wallet right there, huh?
Okay. All right, now I see.
Yes, so very exciting things to come. I'll send you all this information so you have it, but we are going to completely disrupt the entire NFT industry. It is going to be, again, imagine Facebook, OpenSea, and Binance Smart Chain all coming together.
I see. No, this is massive, man. This is great.
And here's another thing. So we're going to be launching a, let me see, this is my friend owns this company here. We've got a call with him today, PreSearch.io. Okay. So this is a decentralized search engine right here. Okay. And so imagine we're going to have a search engine built into also as another product. You'll have the social media. You'll have a search engine as a product. Imagine a search engine and a social media network, NFT based, coming out at the same time. What's going to happen?
All right. Who owns this PreSearch engine? Is it a separate project from TAGProtocol company, or is still in the same?
PreSearch has been around for many years. My friend actually owns this right now.
Oh,
but,
okay.
We're looking at, how do we collaborate? How do, obviously NFT is going to change blow away the Google search engines in the future, and like that. People are gonna be searching by hashtags and all kinds of things. NFT advertising is going to be on the side, all this stuff. So NFT is definitely going to change Google, right? This is going to change Google. This is going to change YouTube. There's nothing stopping us from having our own YouTube thing also, right? Where the videos are NFTs. This will be another project that we'll have on our blockchain also. No question about it.
All right. No, great stuff. I see it's happening.
So that's that. It's a very deep rabbit hole to go down. It's never ending rabbit hole. Makes it a lot of fun. You know, let your creativity flow, tap into what other people are creative about, help uplift them by turning them into NFTs. You know, here's an example also. A songwriter like Dr. Dre, the musician, his son is one of my business partners on this project, okay?
Okay.
And he says, this is good. And I'll send you the interview with him and I, but at my house, talking to our development team. And he says, this is going to be the most disruptive project for the entire music industry. TAGProtocol is. Because what we can do now is, like, I own Dr. Dre, I own Snoop Dogg as an NFT, as a hashtag, okay? And I own David Guetta, you know, these musicians. What I can do is I can leverage those musicians and say, hey, Dr. Dre, you want on board? I'm going to give this to you if you put your name behind our project. Okay, right? Okay, and I bought his NFT for $200 in the very beginning. Now it's worth $350. It's been mining cryptocurrency this entire time. So what we can do for musicians right now, or artists, like today I'm working with an artist. His name is Mir1. Okay, he's one of the biggest Bitcoin artists in the world. He's coming on board today. MEARONE1.com. Check his art out. You know, his wife asked, who's his manager, he says, well, this is last night. He goes, how does he benefit from this? Well, we start off by turning him into a hashtag, Mir1. So he's putting his posts out there as Mir1 with his art. But then we're able to, when the social platform comes out, then we can turn the art on the platform, you know, into an NFT also. Okay. And our social platform gamified, which means our social media network is going to be gamified, which means you have to include one NFT, one hashtag in every one of your posts. Okay. So I don't care if it's hashtag A or hashtag the. This sets your intention on every single post and also increases the data of our network as it's linked with all the social media networks, grabbing that data in real time right there. Huh?
That's interesting, man. Yeah. Tell me something. Are you always available for like presentations? How do you handle this? Let's say we start building the teams. How do we get hold of you, or how do we book you or something?
Well, usually I'll be wearing a shirt, first of all. But you have my permission to publish this. I'd love to share this video also. It's how we roll down here in Brazil. It's very hot.
Okay.
So
yeah.
accesses are in our house. I'm always available. Excuse me. I'm always available for our teams. We just set a time for a meeting. Excuse me. We set a time for our meeting and we just do our Zooms. I do presentations every single day. I'm here for our teams. Okay, we're gonna keep getting the word out here about this. We're gonna launch Tag Army. We're gonna be hashtagging Tag Army, going after the Safe Moon Army. We're gonna have some fun here.
All right, no, great stuff. That's great, man. Yeah, let me get onto it, and yeah, please, man, I'll keep on asking some more information as I do the registrations. I'll ask some more information on the inbox.
Go ahead and stop the recording right now, but let's talk for a second here. Just go ahead and stop the recording, pause the recording or whatever here. Okay.
What do you say?
Let's stop the recording.